In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to OctaFX. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, I previously made a video I can be able to withdraw crypto from your Binance. So I think I also made a video I can be able to withdraw USDT from your Binance. So what you need to do, open your OctaFX. In the OctaFX deposit option, I think there are just two means or two options where you can be able to deposit USDT here in your OctaFX. So you're going to be able to transfer USDT from your Binance OctaFX. So if you have some USDT on your Binance, please, I made a video I can be able to withdraw USDT from your Binance. So make sure you go watch the video so as you can be able to do everything right. So what you need to do now, you can click on any of the theta, right? So there are two here, TRC20 and ERC20. So make sure you copy the address. Once you click on it, if you click on the I understand now, your address is going to come out, right? So what you need to do, copy your wallet address, go to your Binance, withdraw or transfer the USDT TRC20 from your Binance to your OctaFX. Please, I made a video on that, how I can be able to do this. So make sure you watch the video I made on my channel so as I can be able to do everything correctly and right. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.